Hey, this is Job Coach Kathy. Our strategic plan today covers technical skills. Let's go to work. Whatever job you're in, I want you to begin documenting your technical expertise, such as hardware you use, tools, equipment, software, and begin adding it to your resume. Know that gathering this information more sooner than later will help you as you start building your resume or updating your resume. Once you've gathered all those technical skills, here's what I want you to do is, for instance, if some of your technical skills are computers, software, computer hardware, I want you to build a separate category that's called computer skills and enter in things like Word, PowerPoint, Excel, Outlook, Zoom, Teams, you name it. Get that as a separate category on your resume, and I would include it front and center. The next area is skills and abilities. So if you have good technical skills in other areas, this happens to be an example of maintenance, backhoe operations, bulldozer operations, CDL, distance measurement, and so on. Set up a separate category for that. You want this easy to read for HR when they're reviewing your resume. Last is, some of you may or may not have, for instance, technical skills in hand and power tools. You could set up a separate section for that too. And again, I would put these really close to the front of the resume. Next, let's take a look at some specialized skills and abilities that might be related to an office environment, such as cybersecurity, business analysis, clinical research, creative writing, leadership skills. You get the idea. What you're doing is you're setting up an area on your resume that showcases your skills and abilities. So here's your action item. I want you to gather up all your technical skills. Might take you a little bit of time, but gather them up, build a category or categories on your resume for them. Please check out my other YouTube videos by Job Coach Kathy and look for other faves once a week.